Hey techCodio family, welcome back to our channel. Today we are unraveling the fascinating world of polymorphism. If you ever wondered how one piece of code can smoothly interact with different objects, you are in the right place. In this video, we will delve into the fundamentals of polymorphism, explore real-world analogy to make it crystal clear, dive into a hands-on code example in Python. If you are ready to elevate your coding skills, hit that play button and let's embark on the journey of exploring magic of polymorphism together. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content and let's get started. So guys, it is part 6.5 polymorphism in Python, right? Let's quickly see the agenda what we have today. Firstly, we are going to see what is polymorphism and then we will see normal example for understanding the concept, right? And then we will see the real world example of polymorphism and finally we will try to write code for the polymorphism, right? I hope the agenda is clear. So guys, we have the question here. What is polymorphism? Generally, poly means many. Morphism means different forms. So when we combine poly and morphism, we can say polymorphism. Polymorphism means many forms, right? You can see here the word polymorphism means having many forms, right? We are clear with this word. Now let's see the proper definition of polymorphism. In programming, polymorphism means the same function name but different signatures being used for different types. The key difference is the data types and the number of arguments used in function. So guys, now let's try to understand the definition. So what the definition is saying that polymorphism means it has the same function but the signature is different. For example, we have some function animal. The dog shape and sound is different and the cat shape and sound is different. But by the end, the dog and cat is known as animal only. Like that you can see we have the same function but we have different signatures. I mean we can have different data types and different number of arguments in the function. I hope this is making some sense. So guys, now let's see the normal example for understanding the concept. Here I am going to use length function. For the variable a, I am going to take list values 1, 2, 3 and 4. For the variable b, I am going to take string values. Take Codio, right? So you can see we got list and we got string. Now you can see the length of a is 4 but the length of b is 9. So we can say it as length is polymorphism because the function is same but we are giving different data types and different arguments to this function, right? The function is same only but the signature is different. That means here we are giving list, here we are giving string, right? One function, different forms. It is example number 1. Example 2. In this example, I am going to use this place symbol. So here I am going to take a equal to 1 plus 5. I want to print a. You can see I got 7. Like that, here b equal to list of 1, 2 plus list of 4, 5. Print b. You can see we combine two lists here. Now let's see another example. Here I want to add take one string plus Codio in another string. Print c. Now you can see we got the complete string. So here we can say it as this symbol has many forms. Place is one only but it is doing many operations. Here we can say it is doing addition of two numbers. It is concatenating two lists. Here also it is concatenating two strings. So guys, you can see here this place symbol is doing addition. You can see here it is concatenating two list. So guys, now you can see it is concatenating two strings. That means place is doing many operations. So guys, that means we have only one place symbol but it is doing different operations. Here it is doing addition, here it is concatenating two lists and here it is concatenating two strings, right? So guys, now let's see the real world example of polymorphism. Polymorphism in Python, a real world analogy. Imagine you have a remote control. This remote control can operate various devices like a TV, a fan, a music player. Now each device responds differently to the power button on the remote. When you press the power button, the TV turns on, the fan starts spinning, and the music player begins playing a song. Right? So guys, you can see here we have only one remote control. When we press the power button, the TV turns on, the fan starts spinning, and the music player playing a song. We have only one method, remote control, but we are doing different operations on different devices. Like that, in the programming world, this ability of different objects, TV, fan, music player, to respond to the same method, power button, in their own way is similar to the polymorphism, right? In the polymorphism definition, we saw that it has many forms. Like that, the power button has many forms. It is performing differently when we press on the button for the TV, for the fan, and for the music player. So guys, now let's try to write the code for above example. First, we have to create one class for device, right? I want to create one power button for button self. Here I am giving pass keyword. We are not giving any functionality to this function. Now I want to create one class for TV. In the TV, I want to inherit device. Now I want to create power button self. Now I want to return TV is turn on. Like that same way, I want to create class for fan. Inherit device def power button. I want to return fan starts spinning. Final one for the music player. Inherit device. Same like that, power button self. I want to return the music player begins playing a song. Just copy this line, paste here. So guys, you can see we created a class for this device, TV, fan, and music player. Now we want to create object for this TV. I want to call TV dot power button. Yeah, you can see TV is turned on. Like that, I want to create same for the fan. Fan dot power button. Yeah, you can see fan starts spinning. Like that, music player power button. You can see we got this output. The music player begins playing a song. We have only one power button, but it is doing different actions on TV, on fan, and on music player, right? So guys, we are done with the definition of polymorphism, and we saw the normal example for polymorphism, and also we saw the real world example of polymorphism, and finally we wrote the code for the above example, right? I'm going to share the link of this code in the description below, so kindly go and check it out. So guys, if you like my video, please hit that subscribe button